Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
My name is Shahnaz. I'm a school teacher. I have a question which most non-Muslim friends have asked me quite often. We know that there are many non-believers who do a lot of good in this world. Like, for example, Sister Mother Teresa. She has done service and sacrifice beyond what we can imagine. They have asked me a question, my non-Muslim friends, how will all her good deeds that she has done, the sacrifice that she has done, will it all go a waste? Will it not be considered like, how is she going to be judged? Like people like her, how are they going to be judged? And what will their place in the hereafter be?
Yes, thank you very much, Sister. Jazakumullah khairan. We know that there are many, many people, non-Muslims, who have done good deeds all throughout time. And it may appear as though these good deeds that they do will go to waste. But it is from the sunnah of our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam that we learn that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is going to reward them for their good deeds in this life. They will get their reward in this life. But the greater reward, the reward of Jannah, is only deserving of those who believe in Him as He intends to be believed. That is with it, the pure oneness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So all the good that we do, if we don't give Allah His right, then I'm afraid we may get the benefit of the good in this life, but if I renounce or disbelieve in Allah, if I don't give Allah His first right, then what does that matter? That I've done all of this good and I won't get to the ultimate reward, which is the reward of Jannah. As far as where they will be and what Allah will do with them, Allah knows best. We know that we're given very clear understanding in Quran and the Sunnah that those who reject faith, if they die associating partners with Allah, if they die never believing in Allah and His Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then they will be destined for the fire. But their good deeds that they do, mashallah, they'll get reward for it in this life because that's all that matters to them. If they were truly concerned about the good end, they would come to the best conclusion that there's none worthy of worship but Allah and Muhammad is His messenger. But oftentimes we have to examine what is the intention behind the good deeds that people do. People do good deeds, but they do it for differing intentions. Do we do it for good deeds to be known as a doer of good? Do we do these good deeds to please Almighty Allah? You see, so even a Muslim would do good deeds, but it would not necessarily guarantee in paradise. The Prophet was asked, O Messenger of Allah, not even you? He was asked, will our good deeds get us into paradise? He said, no, not necessarily. And they said, not even you, Rasulullah? He said, not even me, unless it's by the rahmah or the mercy of Allah. And we know of the ones who Allah is going to ask why they did the good deeds in this life. And they will swear that they did it for the pleasure of Allah. But He, because He knows our hearts, He knows the nature of our intentions, He will tell them that they are liars and they will be cast into the fire. So again, you know, this is not to discourage non-Muslims from continue to do good, but we need to know that what is more important is that we give Allah, the first and the greatest good is that we give Allah His due rights, and that is to worship Him and Him alone without any partners. Thank you.